Hello everyone and welcome back to Mr. Motagi. So in this video, I'm going to give you a detailed review about the all-new Kia Sonet. And this car has a lot of expectations from our Indian car buyers. So let's see if this car can fulfill all the expectations and can top out in the compact SUV segment. And to know more about this car, let's get going. Today we are going to see about the Kia Sonet 1-liter turbo IMT variant. And the Kia Sonet happens to be the third car for Kia Motors in the Indian market after the Seltos and Carnival, which is currently very successful. And the Kia Sonet will compete with the other compact SUV cars like the Hyundai Venue, Vitara Brezza, Tata Nexon, Mahindra XUV 300. And one thing's for sure that the Kia Sonet is one step ahead of the all other compact SUV cars in every criteria. And you will come to know later in this video that why I'm saying that. So the car's exterior design is simply amazing in terms of looks. And the front end looks very aggressive, and the Sonet's design would definitely be a very big success as the same way of the Kia Seltos. And you get the same tiger nose front grille as seen on the Kia Seltos and being finished on gloss black color. And this car being a GT line variant, there's red inserts being provided along with the chrome lining on the edges of the front grille. And overall it gives a fantastic appeal to the car. The headlights have been given with a full LED projector setup along with the LED DRLs, and the design being inspired from the Vampire Steel. And overall it looks stunning and attractive, portraying a bold presence. And the fog lamps are also provided on the LEDs with a cube-shaped chrome panel. And there's silver garnish treatment given on the lower part of the bumper. And this being a GT line trim, there's red lining too provided, giving a sporty look. And the tires happens to be a 215/60 R16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and the design is simply amazing. And this car being the GT trim, the brake calipers has been finished in red color, and that portrays a sporty look to the car. And there's some cost cutting being done since the disc brakes are provided only on the front wheels and there's only drum brakes on the rear wheels. And looking at the side profile, you would feel that the car is a bit compact as it is a sub 4-meter SUV. And Kia has kept the design neat and clean by not overworking on it, which has worked out and looks amazing. And there's red lining given on the lower part of the car, adding to its sporty characteristics. And there's chrome door handles being provided on all four sides. And the side mirrors are also finished on the body color. And on the back side, there's a gloss black color treatment given. And such small things like these gives a very good attention to detail on the car. Also, there's silver colored roof rails being provided for aesthetic purposes. This is the rear end of the Sonet, which looks very attractive for sure. And both the taillights have been joined with a reflector at the center. And at the bottom part, in order to reduce the visual bulk of the car, there's black color cladding being given. Also, there's a fake diffuser sort of treatment being given in order to give a sporty appeal to the car. This is the boot of the car, having a capacity of around 392 liters. Though it might seem compact, it is pretty decently sized when compared to the other cars of the segment. These are the rear seats of the car, and the leather accents being used feels top class, giving a rich looking appeal. And this car being a GT line trim, there's rich stitching being provided, which looks really good with a combination of richness and sportiness. In terms of rear seat space, this car has ample amount of space on offer, more than what you could expect from a compact sub 4-meter SUV. There's good amount of knee room and leg room for passengers up to 6 feet tall, which is quite respectable for a sub 4-meter SUV. And under-thigh support is also pretty good, but still could have been better. And the headroom is also quite adequate and pretty decent, but still there's only 2 adjustable headrests being provided, and the center headrest is missing. And this car also gets rear AC vents with smart air purification system. Also, there's a 12-volt charging socket along with a storage space being provided below. And also you get the center armrest with twin cup holders being provided. And the door panels have been finished with a black color leather wrap treatment along with red stitching. And one thing is to be admitted that the quality is simply top notch. And you get the same levels of quality of what you can expect from a premium or a luxury car. And the door panels have been finished in sleeky silver color with the same design of what you can see in the Kia Seltos. And this car gets the same type of the 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system as seen on the Kia Seltos, and it has various features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, aux, USB, GPS navigation system, and much more special features. Also, this car gets UO Connect technology where you get access to connected car features. Also, you get a watch being provided through which you can control the connected car features. And this is the steering wheel of the car, which has been finished in full black color leather wrap treatment, and the quality is simply amazing. The fit and finishes of the same on what you can expect from a Kia Seltos. And this car being the GT line variant, there is GT badging given on the bottom part of the steering wheel, and the steering wheel has the same design of what you can see in the Kia Seltos. And these are the steering mounted controls which has been finished in gloss black color, and it gets various functions like volume up and down, menu controls, traction control, phone call functions, mute button, voice command, and much more. And this car gets an electric sunroof which opens very wide and brings down a lot of light inside the cabin, and this feature will definitely attract a lot of buyers in this segment. Also, this car has two unique features which no other compact SUV cars have it, and the first one is the wireless charging provision, and the next one is the ventilated seats. And this feature is one cool and a nifty feature which will be very suitable for our weather condition. And these are the front seats of the car, which is very comfortable and cushioned, and as said before, the quality is definitely top class. And this car gets Bose audio system, and trust me, the audio quality is simply on the next level, and it is the best in the segment. And there's a small storage space being provided at the center. Also, this car gets auto dimming rear view mirrors. So as said before, the Kia Sonet is one step ahead in all criteria when compared to the other cars of the segment. And there is no doubt that this car will attract a lot of buyers in the Indian car market. And if you are looking to buy a compact SUV car, then I would definitely suggest this Kia Sonet to you, as this car is currently the top pick in the compact SUV segment. And coming to the price point of this car has an attractive starting price around 6.71 lakhs of ex-showroom and goes all the way up to 12 lakhs of ex-showroom, which is very attractive in terms of pricing. So that's all everyone. If you like this video, you know what to do. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.